Squash, until a few years ago, was reserved for the public schools and the armed forces. But nowadays that's all changed, and they just let anybody at all play. Well, it seems that everybody wants to play, because squash is one of the fastest growing sports, and there's probably not a squash club in the whole of the south of England that isn't bursting at the seams. This one down in Epsom, for instance, has got 250 members, and there's another 80 on the waiting list. Well, for most of us, a game of squash probably never lasts more than an hour, and believe you me, that's quite long enough. But there are a couple of chaps in the next court over there who are planning to spin their game night for 48 hours.
Peter Baldwin, who's 24, and Geoff Coles, who's 47, are hoping to try and beat the squash marathon record of 46 hours, presently held by two Australians. And that means virtually a whole weekend of playing squash.
Falcon in the lead as they come to the fence after Valentine's, number 10. Fair Falcon over first, from Miss Hunter second, then...
They're doing it not just for the glory, if glory there'll be, but to raise money for a new gymnasium at the school where they're both teachers. Few people watching at the start thought they'd last until Saturday morning, let alone into Sunday. Now there are no doubters, for this is the game that'll give them their well-deserved prize. 9 p.m. Sunday, and two unknowns in the squash world are the new record holders. And to clinch their victory, they played on for another hour before retiring.
Well done, Geoff. Jolly good.
Congratulations, Geoff. Have you any idea how many games you've played?
What, today?
Yes.
Around
Can you remember?
500 or 600
644.
Was it really? 644.
Do you know how much you've earned for charity?
Oh no, I couldn't tell you that. I would hope it's something that would make a nice big hole in the money we have to find for this gymnasium.
Congratulations.
But goodness knows how much.
Go and have a shower. Congratulations. It's ridiculous to ask whether it was all worth it.
It is.
If there's not enough money, you're going to come and do it again?
I think that's very doubtful. Let's hope we've got enough money.
Thank you very much.